Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to manually create avatars in Instagram. So if you want to create avatar on Instagram, here's how you can get it done. Just open your Instagram app on your phone, then you tap on the profile icon, then from there you tap on this three-line button at the left, at the right top corner, tap on it, then you tap on the icon center, you tap on there, you tap on the profile, then you tap on the username. Then from there, just simply tap on avatar. Then from here, you can either create the avatar using your selfie or you create manually. So I'm just gonna create manually. Then from here, you try to select the skin color. Then just tap on something like, okay, good. Then this should be okay. Tap on the skin color, then skin tone, then you tap on next. Then from here, you can choose the hairstyle. Okay, this is okay, good. Then you tap on next, and from here you can try to tap change the face shape. I think this is okay a little bit, and you can also use this if you want. Then tap on next. Then the body type should be your fit body. Just try and navigate around, just play around with the avatar. You can see creating avatar and saving right here. Active it and see. You can also confirm the avatar right here. You can decide, then just simply pick something casual, so just go for the casual, then tap on save, avatar updated, and that's it. So you can now switch avatar. If you want, you can switch avatar. If you want, you can delete avatar. Depends on your choice, and that's it. Find the video helpful, like and follow for more. Thank you.